Howdy y'all. Ever wondered what dividends are? Well, buckle up because I'm about to break it down for you. A dividend is basically a portion of a company's earnings that gets paid out to its shareholders. Think of it as a thank you note, but with money attached. Companies typically dish out dividends quarterly, but some might do it annually or even monthly. Now, why do companies pay dividends? Simple. It's a way to reward investors for their trust and loyalty. Plus, it signals that the company is doing well financially. If a company can afford to share its profits, that's usually a good sign of stability. But not all companies pay dividends. Startups and tech giants, for instance, often reinvest their profits back into the business to fuel growth. Instead of getting a dividend, shareholders of these companies hope the stock price will go up over time. So, how do you earn dividends? Easy. You just need to own shares in a dividend-paying company. When the company declares a dividend, you get paid based on the number of shares you hold. The more shares, the bigger the payout. Dividends can come in two flavors: cash dividends and stock dividends. Cash dividends are straightforward. You get cash deposited into your account. Stock dividends, on the other hand, give you extra shares of the company. Now, here's a tip. Always keep an eye on the dividend yield. That's the percentage of the stock price that the company pays out in dividends annually. A high dividend yield might look attractive, but it could also be a red flag. It might mean the company's stock price is low for a reason. All right, folks, that's the lowdown on dividends. Remember, dividends can be a great way to earn passive income, but always do your homework before investing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See y'all next time.